Time check 11:48. Punta kami ng Quezon, Pangasinan. Kasama si Ambo. Hello. Hello po. Sawarat. Saka pala aming poging driver.
Alam mo yun ako. Baka mamaya maigisin nila ng pampers yan. Hello.
Hello, Ika.
Hello.
Mika. Yung kami na koy. Ang kami na koy ko.
Yung ano pare, towel.
Towel.
May towel na ito. Baka nakasama dyan. Puti na maliit.
Ay, ito?
Yan.
Baka nagsawa sila sa mga fellow countrymen natin, di ba? Baka gusto nila
Where mo?
Iba-ibang ano naman
Ay, tati daw si Ambo. Tati daw si Ambo.
di ba? Mga
Ang cute naman yan.
Ang liit na ilo eh.
Ito ang ulo ko.
sa mga panahon na yun,
Init.
hinahanapan ko ng apa.
Ano pare?
Sumobra.
Ako na mag-adjust pare.
Ah, sige.
Sa biyaya-yaya siyang lumapa. Habang ako'y
Stop. Ayan pare.
Baba mo pa.
Ha?
Dito. Baba.
Baba ko pa?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Nandun sa kabilang ano?
Ay, pag gumawa ka na ng ano, bigyan tayo.
Ayan, good morning guys. Alas 4 na. So dahil walang tagaluto, ako ang obligado magluto ng almusal namin ngayon. Hindi pa dumarating yung iba kasi na-late sila kagabi. Ano oras na sila nakaalis. Pero yung iba konsyal nandito na. So naisip ako mag-vlog. Pero nakapaghiwa na ako ng mga talong. So let's go, luto na muna.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you're never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be.
Daman laro lang muna tayo saglit. So ayun, tapos na tayo maglaro. Babawa muna tayo sa dagat. Pipicturean natin si Ambo. Good morning, sunshine. Ambo.
Same yan ang camera mo na nakaraan.
tatay.
Or maybe just lovers, cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless. No one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Hey, loving on me.
Hi.
Maybe you won't see me get emotional. And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, trying to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away. Walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional. And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
Yan gagana. Pero masyadong malaki.
Ito, 79.
Sa init.
I want your body.
Teka na. Mainit na. Mainit na.
No.
Ikaw, Yasi, bala ka. Malaki ka na eh.
Hindi. Kahit malaki na yan. Ingot-ingot naman yan.
Bagay. Yung utak niyan, nasa law pare eh.
Malaki, ingot-ingot naman. Si Yasi, sabi ni Hili, iwan na daw namin dito si Yasi kasi malaki na daw. Ay, kung malaki nga, ingot naman. Dito mo lagay oh. Dito mo oh. Dito mo banda gawin. Dito ka gumawa ng kaso. Punuin mo yan. O, dito mo itataktak.
Ocean, give me more shells. Please.
Taktakin mo para masiksik. Huwag masyadong lagyan ng water. Kasi ububuya masyadong matawater. Tinataktak niya. Tapos dito may tatao. Dito. Naggagawa si Tito ng ano. Yan mo. Show. Oh, tanggal mo. Dandahan.
Abot mo yun. Ay, nakba.
Dandahan. Saglit.
Ang abot mo yun. Shell. Yan.
Kailangan ba ito may butas? Oo nga, no, para matanggal.
Wait a minute. Get it how you lit it. There's those
Oh, di ba?
fish out on the ground.
Hindi yan.
God knows what
Gawa ka pa marami. Dali.
straight sa rod. Are you? Put it to you.
Ay, may video. Pa, may video okay doon po. Sayang.
Turn it up, windows down. We sing along.
Ayan na.
The summer night has just begun.
Yan lang. Pwede ka.
The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything. With you right next to me, so alive. And tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything. With you right next to me, so alive.
Ano pangalan ng vlog natin? Sino yung si ano?
Tapos na kami sa... Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Buttered...
Buttered shrimp with love. With love.
Anong tawag dito?
Lobster. Lobster.
Buttered oyster...
Lobster.
Ay, lobster.
Buttered lobster and shrimp. Buttered shrimp with and lobster. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap naman yun. Basta yun na yun. We're going to the...
Ano, mag-aadobo ba tayo?
Ayoko kasing magputo sa iba. Nahihiya ako. Sabi niya, isasalang niya daw yung inihaw. I-ready ko lang daw. Inihihiyain din ako mag-ano. Kakahiya. Oh, next. Adobo na? Our next
Lulutuin
menu.
namin adobo.
Adobo. Chicken adobo. With pinipig.
Adobo de
Ano?
grate.
Doon nasa kwarto. Inakit na.
Adobo de grate. Pasensya na kayo. Ito lang ang
Wala
aming
kang
bahay.
maraming kakayanan.
Pasok na tayo sa aming kwarto. Okay, time check. Alas 12 na. Preparing kami kasi pupunta kami ng
Mag-sunscreen ka!
Anda, Pangasinan.
Anda! Anda ko! Tanda ko!
Maganda ka, oo lang namin.
Pagkakarinig na, tanda mo! Anda! Anda mo!
So, magbiyahe kami manggaling dito sa Dasol ng 1 hour and 50 minutes. So,
Oh, kung sino magpapasabay dyan, bibili kami doon ng buko pie.
bukupay. Ano yung bukupay?
Oo, bibili tayo ng buko pie sa gitna ng dagat.
Oo.
Oh, mga magpapasabay dyan, PM na. Sila rin magdi-deliver door to door.
Wow! Yaman yan!
Kubayad sila, no? Oh,
So, pagdating doon,
Yaman. Walang libre dito sa
sasakay kami ng bangka. Pupunta kami ng sandbar.
Sunbar.
Sandbar yarn.
Kakain kami ng...
Pating!
Budgie bar.
Iinom kami ng...
The bar. So, mamaya na ulit pag nasasakay na kami. Yo, peace out. Punta na kami ng Anda.
Hi! We're going to...
Isa namin, baby.
Holland! Holland. Pupunta kami sa Netherlands. Do you want to join with us, guys? Okay, takbo na!
Wala kami dahil pinag-flight kami ng aming itay.
Grabe yun!
So ayun guys, naligo kami. Napunta kami sa di mo mawari. Yan, okay na.
Ano lang?
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up.
I've been thinking of how to leave you, just to leave you first. I've been thinking of how to deceive you, to make you leave me first. My experience tells me that it is only a matter of time.
When the sky is falling down and the clouds get in your eye, I'll be a gold mine. When your world ain't going right and the struggle dims your shine, I'll be a gold mine. Back to back, I got you and you got me. Dream team, stick together and make history. Golden wonderland, when we're hand in hand, our sisterhood turns bad into good. Golden wonderland, when we turns bad into good. Golden wonderland, when we take the stand, our sisterhood helps the common good. We are stronger, getting stronger every day. We are braver, getting braver in every way. Sisterhood turns bad into good. Golden wonderland, when we take the stand, our sisterhood helps the common good. We are stronger, getting stronger every day. We are braver, getting braver in every way.
Ikaw, me. Ikaw,
Ah, Cheng, gutom ka na naman, Cheng.
Sweet tayo.
Hmm?
Sweet. Sweet hindi siya yun. Ila! Ila, ika!
Hmm.
Ila! Ila! Ila!
Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche you didn't say goodbye. I've been waiting for so long, still debating what went wrong. All by myself, you pulled away, you couldn't say what we were struggling with. It's one of us, it's obvious, but who's to really blame? There's an aching in my heart, all the questions that I've got are keeping me up at night. Ooh. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need, reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. Ooh, a better you. Ooh. And so it seems I never dreamed that I would figure out that there are things that kinda bring you to a screeching stop. There's no way to save your heart, you just gotta play your part, and it will turn out alright. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. find the one you need, reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. So in time, I will find all the things I'm looking for. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need, reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. Ooh, a better you. A better you. Ooh, a better you. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need, reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. So in time, I will find all the things I'm looking for. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need, reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. Ooh, a better you. A better you. Ooh, a better you. I will find a better you.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you.
Ay, kami nagkikita. Ganda, di pa kaya ako eh. Pero malinaw na. Nakakita doon. Nakakita doon. Mika, dito lang. Mika! Nika, wag lalayo na ka. Nika! Ala, yung sinelas mo! Kami ni Michelle! Ito nila. Pang model. Dali. Bird, oh! Bird! Isip ka sa tak! Ayun! Ayun, takutan! Yun na! Ay! Ang boting na mo si Tito Hill!
Kaya ka rin, nararamdaman mo rin yung gali mo. Gali ka.
Yung GoPro mo ba pag in-open, mag-automatic na stop? Ha? Hill? Mag-automatic na stop? Pinindot ko yan ah. Ayaw naman mag-record. Pakalubat na.
Ayun, Joy, maliit. Sabi ko nga sa'yo eh. Sabi ko nga sa'yo eh. Bakit yung nalilig? Ba't ang pala ginagawa mo? Dapat na yun. Dalawang parit ako. Tignan ko ito pa din.
Ay, kayo.
Lumayo pa.
Ayun o. Akin na. Hindi ka naman lumabas kanina. Nakahanap na namin. Nahanap na namin. Napunta. Umaga.
Ayaw nga nililig na takot ba?
Yung alin? Yung alin? Oo.
Ayaw.
Hindi ka nagagagin.
Hoy, Dali. Hindi natin ginagawang bago. Ito mamaya. Ay, nagpalag tayo ba yun? Nakahanap ako ng friend. Nawala.
Kasi ang kanila oh.
Tingnan ni ate ro. Wala, Michelle. Hi, Michelle.
Bye-bye. dito ba naman sa ano? Sikat ka na talaga ba?
Dito ka tumakbo ngayon.
Hindi ba sila ito? Kailanganin yung sasakyan. Biyahe ng gabi. Oo.
Tinawag ka ba? Ay, bakit nga? Oo nga, tinatawag na. Paano kami makakauwi? Kaya kasi.
Sabay pa rin kayo sa biyahe. Sabay pa rin kayo sa
Halika na, sa kami. Di, sabay na muna. Si Kuya na yun.
Sige, makaising. Sige, makaising. Ayaw, makaising. Dali, gawa mo siya.
Mama. Mama mo, nandiyan pa.
Mamay na, nagbalik mo kayong water.
Oh, ilan lang kami.
Ito mo kayong battery.
Hoy! Asan yung dalihan mo na?
Tatlo lang tayo sa baka.
Hindi, yung kapatid niya pa. Kapatid niya pa. Dad, tara na!
Sabay mo na sila ano.
Dan!
Uwi na!
Apat lang kami, 5. O, yung 5 po.
Anim.
Na! Yan na!
Ano ba pangalan ng bangka natin? Lagi din nakasanto.
Kuya, pasundo na rin kami!
Pasundo mo na lahat! Yung putik na bangka!
Wala di tayo na, no? Ayun na sa'yo! Ayun, sis mo! Dali na yun na! Ay, siya. Bigyan mo kayo siya, Nika. Bigyan mo kayo siya. Teka.
Wala. Gaaway. Wag mo takay na. Sige, wala na kay sleeper. Ako dyan. Ayun o. Ayun na lang namin. Wala na sleeper. Wala. Pwede lang kami. Ha? Hoy! Wika! Bye-bye. Wala ka ng shoes. Ha? Pinangapaut? Dito tayo?
Puro mga nilalamig na. Ay, nilalamig na pe.
Bye-bye! Wag!
Buong sinelas mo. Pinapaanod mo.
Ayaw?
Transaction!
Ayaw ka!
Tanggalin lahat ng libag. Lahat ng pasaway.
Tayo kasi kung lima lang tayo. Eh, pinapaulo mo na kami. Kanina, ayaw mo ko. Eh, pinapaulo mo na kami.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, showed me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smile bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up